Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, we'll start the class. So, last class we spoke about macro environment, which are the external factors which influence the company, which influence the operations of the company. So last time we talked about this macro environment, that is the political environment, economic environment, social, technological environment, demographic environment, environmental, natural environment, legal environment. All these are the external factors which greatly influence how the company's operations. And these factors which are in the macro environment, they influence the company indirectly, and they have more impact on the company, and the company is not able to have any control on these factors. That is the macro environmental factors. The company has no control over these factors, how it is influencing the company operations. So any changes that happen in the economy, the company has no control over it. The company has to change and adapt to the economic changes, or to the political changes, or to the technological changes that have happened in the macro environment. So now we will see the micro environment. Micro environment factors are those factors which are close to the company's environment. They also influence the company operations. So these factors are the company, the suppliers, intermediaries, competitors, public, and the customers. So all these factors together is known as the micro environment. So these factors are also present in the external environment of the company. Some of them will be present within the company, and the company has control over these factors, and the company is also affected by these micro environmental factors. So these micro environmental factors influence the company directly, whereas the macro environmental factors influence the company indirectly. So one by one we will see these factors. Customers. So customers are very important for a company. What kind of customers the company has will depend upon will affect what kind of marketing campaigns they will come out with. So you have different types of customers, like B2C customers, B2B customers, international customers, local customers, national customers. So these are all the different types of customers. I hope all of you know what is B2C and B2B and C2C. Do all of you know? Hemant, do you know what is? Yes, okay. So these customers are very important for the company, because they can make the company or they can break the company, because they affect the demand for the products in the company, they affect the sales, they affect the profits, and they affect the competition in the company. So only if customers demand the product will sales happen and profits happen. If customers don't demand the product, then there will be no sales and no profits. So it is easy for companies to manufacture the product, but it is difficult to sell the product. So to sell the product, to get sales, they need the customers. So customers are very important for the company's success. Only if they have customers, they will get the profits and sales, and they will get the success. So next factor is the suppliers. Suppliers also influence the company operations. They are also a key link in the delivery of the product. So there are two kinds of suppliers. There are two kinds of suppliers. One kind of supplier who supplies raw materials to your organization. He supplies spare parts. He supplies tools. So that is one type of supplier. Who, what kind of raw materials he is supplying, what is the quality of raw materials, how reliable he is as a supplier will affect the smooth running of business. So the supplier's price can also affect the company operations. If the price of the supplier's raw material is high, then company's production cost will go up and company's final cost of product will also go up. Then there is